This spicy and flavorful dish is all-time favorite when you eat out, but when made it at home, it's even better. Namaste everyone. Come and join me to make Kadai Paneer in my kitchen today. We have half a pound or 250 grams of store-bought paneer here. Let's cut it in cubes and marinate it in yogurt and spices. Since the paneer is store-bought, I need to marinate it. When you make the paneer at home, it's very soft and marination is not needed. I have half a cup of plain yogurt here. To this, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder and 1 pinch of salt. Kashmiri chili powder is not very spicy. It's good for color and the taste. Add this marinade to the paneer cubes and mix it very gently. Now we are making the Kadai masala by pounding some whole spices together. I have 1/4 teaspoon each of fennel seeds and black peppercorns, 1 dried red chili, 1 teaspoon Kasoori methi. We are going to pound it all of this together till we have a coarse powder. Next step is to make a ginger garlic paste by grinding equal amount of ginger and garlic together by adding little bit of water. Heat up some oil and add finely chopped onions to it. We need to cook these till soft and then transfer it to another pan to cool it down. In the same pan, we are going to add little bit of more oil and big pieces of green peppers and onions. Fry them till they have little bit of brown spots. We don't need to cook them all the way. Towards the end, we are also adding big pieces of tomatoes and stir fry it for about 30 seconds and then transfer it to another pan. In the last step, we are going to add oil and butter both, since butter makes everything taste so much better. When butter melts, in goes a teaspoon of cumin seeds followed by dried red chili and split green chili. Stir fry them till they are fragrant. Then goes in ginger garlic paste. We have to fry the ginger garlic paste until it loses its raw smell. In goes a heaping teaspoonful of tomato paste and it has to be fried too. Now we are going to add the onion paste which we made it earlier and it needs to be cooked till oil starts oozing from the sides. After the onion paste is well cooked and well mixed in the spices, adding the salt and also the dry spices, which is 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and 3 teaspoon of coriander powder. Also a teaspoonful of Kasoori methi. Kasoori methi should be crushed between palms to release more flavor. When all the spices are well mixed in, let's add our marinated paneer pieces and mix it gently so they don't break. We also going to add little bit of more water, about half cup to 1 cup of water depending on how much water paneer soaks up. Our paneer is well cooked with the spices, so let's add the green peppers and onions which we sauteed earlier. Let's mix it well and then we are going to add our Kadhai masala which we prepared earlier, the coarsely ground Kadhai masala. This Kadhai masala is the key to this super duper tasty dish. We are almost ready. We are going to stir it in and then add little bit of light cream. We don't need heavy cream since we already added little bit of butter in the beginning. Small amount of cream or ghee or butter is absolutely fine. It is still going to be much less greasy than the restaurant. Our super tasty, mouth-watering Kadai Paneer is ready now. It can be served with naan, roti, paratha or rice or pulao, whichever you like to serve it with. This is our family's favorite dish and I really hope that it will be your favorite dish too. And also hoping you enjoyed watching this video and would make this delicious yet simple paneer dish. Remember to subscribe and stay connected for more simple recipes like this. I will see you soon with another homemade recipe. Till then, goodbye.